I hope that all of you know how to use in, out, up, down. But do you know we can also use them in order to agree to something, especially when you agree to someone's plan or when you accept somebody else's proposal. I am agree, I am in, I am up, I am down are same in meaning. For example, hey, do you want to go to the mall tonight? Oh, sure, I'm up for it. I'm up for it. It means that I want to go. I want to join you. I accept the plan. You can also use the word down. I'm down means absolutely the same thing. For example, hey, we're going to the beach tomorrow. Are you down? Oh, sure. I'm down. I'm down means I want to go. I want to join you. I accept the plan. Another way you can say this by using I'm in. I'm in also means I want to go. I want to join. I accept a proposal. For example, hey, we're going to Disneyland next month. Are you in? Sure, I'm in. Count me in. I'm in means I want to go. I want to join. I accept a proposal. Count me in also means include me also. But if you don't want to go, you can say I'm out or count me out. Means I don't want to go. Don't include me in this plan. For example, hey, can you join with us on picnic tomorrow? Sorry, I have so many works to do on that day. I'm out or count me out. It means I don't want to go. Don't include me in this picnic. Let's repeat the same. I'm agree, I'm in, I'm up, I'm down are same in meaning. But I'm out or count me out means I don't agree. Let me know more examples in the comment box. To enrich your English, you must have to subscribe. Study English with SHAMP.